Traders, this video is related to the Forex Gold Xauusd current trend and price prediction suggested by AI, artificial intelligence Forex trading robot, automated Forex trading expert advisor. Please watch this video until end. Very valuable and very helpful video.
Refined trading strategy based on all images including RSI. 1. Trend. Daily time frame bullish but consolidating. H4, H1, M30 timeframes consolidation range bound. 2. Trading strategy. Wait for a clear breakout. The primary strategy remains waiting for a definitive breakout from the $3,015 to $3,025 range. The ADX and RSI readings confirm the lack of a strong trend, supporting this approach. Breakout confirmation. A candle close outside of the range is preferable for confirmation. RSI confirmation. If a bullish breakout happens, check that the RSI rises above 50 to confirm bullish momentum. If a bearish breakout happens, check that the RSI falls below 50 to confirm bearish momentum. 3. Potential entry points. Long entry, above $3,025. Short entry, below $3,015. 4. Stop loss, SL. For long, place the SL below the middle of the Bollinger Bands or the recent low around $3,010. For short, place the SL above the middle of the Bollinger Bands or the recent high around $3,030. 5. Take profit, TP. For long, place the TP at the next resistance level, which could be around $3,035 or higher. For short, place the TP at the next support level, which could be around $3,000. Key refinements. RSI as confirmation. The RSI now adds a layer of confirmation for potential breakouts. If the price breaks above $3,025, look for the RSI to rise above 50 to confirm bullish momentum. Conversely, if the price breaks below $3,015, look for the RSI to fall below 50 to confirm bearish momentum. Overall confirmation. The RSI, ADX, and Bollinger Bands reinforce the idea of a range-bound market with weak momentum. This strengthens the argument for waiting for a clear breakout.